We all aim to have a fulfilling life. This can be a happy life filled with family and friends, a life living at the edge, or this can be a life of fulfillment through achievement. Regardless of how one finds fulfillment, the journey is not without its storms. Misunderstandings cloud our connections, emotional turmoil disrupts our focus, and the quest for understanding becomes ever more elusive. In the absence of harmony, the fabric of our communities fray. Doubts and fears magnify, leaving us questioning the very bonds that unite us. How do we navigate these divisive times without losing our way? Amidst the chaos, the harmonizers emerge as beacons of balance and understanding, trained to navigate the complex puzzle of human emotion. They guide us back to a place of peace and mutual respect. Drawing on the profound teachings of Buddhist compassion, the respect for relationships taught by Confucianism, and the universal love and forgiveness championed by Jesus, the harmonizers create a community of empathy and insight. The harmonizers are the emotional anchors and mediators of nocturnity. Their primary mission is to foster inner and outer peace, facilitate understanding, and bridge emotional division. They are trained to balance the masculine and feminine energies within themselves, embodying a mix of strength, decisiveness, empathy, and intuition. Their harmonizing role ensures that nocturnity remains a close-knit community where disputes are resolved, emotional wounds are healed, and members are encouraged to grow in a supportive environment. With each conflict resolved, with every wound healed, the harmonizers remind us of our shared humanity. They teach us to embrace both the light and shadow within, leading nocturnity to a future where every member thrives in harmony. Each group within nocturnity has certain rituals or habits that help them hone their craft. The harmonizers have 5 main tasks. Number 1, daily reflection. Begin or end your day with 10 minutes of reflection on a moment of harmony, unity, or understanding you experienced or witnessed. This could be something as simple as a shared laugh with a stranger or a deeper moment of empathy. Number 2, weekly listening circle. Dedicate an hour each week to gather with a small group, even if it's just one other person. Each participant shares a story or concern while others purely listen without offering advice or solutions. Number 3, monthly meditative dance. Engage in a group dance that doesn't focus on steps or routines, but instead lets individuals flow freely with the music, allowing their bodies to express harmony and unity. Number 4, quarterly unity meals. Prepare and share a communal meal, preferably whole foods that have a complete nutrient profile. This ritual aims to unify participants through shared experiences and tastes. Number 5, yearly retreat. Dedicate a weekend or a few days to a retreat focusing on activities that foster inner balance and communal harmony. This can include workshops, group meditations, and team building activities. As a harmonizer, the following is your path to self-realization. Your journey as a harmonizer isn't merely about achieving personal balance, but about fostering unity and understanding in the world around you. Recognize that every action, every word, every gesture you make can create ripples. Strive to make those ripples harmonious. Your first task is to deeply understand yourself, your strengths, weaknesses, triggers, and passions. This understanding forms the foundation upon which you can build harmonious relationships with others. Seek out environments and experiences that challenge your sense of balance. It is in the act of regaining equilibrium that you grow stronger in your harmonizing abilities. Always prioritize active listening. By truly hearing others, you not only offer them a sense of validation and understanding, but you also gain invaluable insights into different perspectives and worldviews. This knowledge is the key to fostering unity on a larger scale. Most importantly, remember that harmony doesn't mean the absence of discord. It means effectively navigating it, understanding its roots, and finding a balanced resolution. Your journey is one of constant learning and adaptation. Embrace each moment, each challenge, and each success on this path. In your quest for balance and unity, you'll uncover the profound interconnectedness of all things, and in doing so, realize your own boundless potential. If you resonated with this message, join us on this journey of transformation. Embrace the wisdom of the harmonizers and discover the strength found in vulnerability, the clarity and understanding, and the unparalleled peace and forgiveness. In Nocturnity, through the wisdom of the harmonizers, we find not just the resolution of conflicts, but the blueprint for a world where every heart resonates with the music of harmony. Together, we are whole. Subscribe for more insights into the path of harmony within Nocturnity and beyond. Discover peace, understand love, and become the change you wish to see.